कम लर्न साइकोलॉजी ऑफ भगवत गीता विथ मी वर्स बाय वर्स। वर्स 18 में फिर से पूरा लाइनअप कंटिन्यू होता है, जिसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं द्रुपदा के बारे में, जिसके बारे में हमने पिछले कुछ वर्सेस में देखा था दैट ही हैज दिस पर्सनल वेंजेंस फॉर द्रोणा। फिर आते हैं द्रौपदी के 5 बेटे। द्रौपदी इज the wife of all the Pandavas. So all these 5 sons are born from all the 5 Pandavas. And then a special mention to Abhimanyu, who is the youngest son of Arjun. And he is a very very fearless and a very talented and skilled warrior as well. इस वर्ष में हमें लोगों के रिश्ते भी बताए गए हैं कि द्रौपदी के 5 बेटे, which is showing us that the legacy is continuing. The warriors are not just till the first generation, they are continuing to the second as well as the third generation. Psychologically, this verse is trying to show us that when righteousness and legacy unite, the fear disappears. Even the young warriors who are so high on energy, even they are not driven by ego or vengeance. The way that this can be applied to modern times is that try and find what your why for being is. And that why of yours must always be bigger than the ego that you have. And it shows finally that wisdom is not really about age. Wisdom is not something that comes with age. We can see that there are so many older people who do not have much wisdom, and there are so many younger people, younger children who have a lot of wisdom. So wisdom is something that comes from clarity and purpose. So our quest in life should be to try and find our why, to try and find our clarity and our purpose and be driven by that. And since I am clear about what I am doing, I would like you to follow me for more such videos where we will learn Bhagavad Gita verse by verse.